About 2 months ago, Airbus unveiled the Racer, a new $217 million tech demonstrator that succeeded the company's now retired X-3 concept aircraft. Then, on June 21st, 2024, less than 2 months after its first flight and a mere 7 flights and about 9 hours of flight testing, the Airbus Racer reached nearly 261 miles per hour, exceeding its objective of 253 miles per hour. The Racer was developed as part of the European Research Clean Sky 2 project, designed to provide the country with cleaner air transport technologies and make it a leader in sustainable and competitive air transport.